Today I am reviewing GMKtec EVO-X1 AI Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a compact yet incredibly powerful mini PC that blends AI performance, gaming capability, and professional-grade multitasking, the GMKtec EVO-X1 AI Mini PC is one of the most impressive options available today. Powered by the latest AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX-370 processor, based on AMD's cutting-edge Zen 5 microarchitecture, this machine can clock speeds up to 5.1 GHz, making it extremely responsive for both everyday use and demanding workloads. What truly sets it apart is the integration of an advanced AI NPU with AMD's XDNA 2 architecture, capable of delivering up to 50 tera operations per second. That means this tiny system isn't just fast, it's intelligent, handling AI-driven tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and deep learning with unmatched efficiency. For creators, professionals, and tech enthusiasts, this kind of power in such a small form factor is a game changer. Gaming and graphics performance are another highlight. Equipped with the new AMD Radeon 890M integrated GPU built on RDNA 3.5, it delivers up to 57% better performance compared to the previous generation Radeon 780M. This makes it possible to enjoy AAA gaming, creative editing, and GPU-accelerated applications without needing a bulky desktop or external GPU right out of the box. But if you want to push things further, GMKtec included an Oculink port, offering higher bandwidth than Thunderbolt and enabling smoother frame rates and reduced latency when paired with an eGPU. This is an incredible feature for gamers and content creators who want desktop-level performance in a portable machine. The EVO-X1 also comes with blazing fast quad-channel LPDDR5X memory, clocked at 7,500 megatransfers per second. This memory speed is faster than standard DDR5 SODIMMs and results in massive improvements in video conferencing, digital content workloads, and multitasking across productivity apps. Combine that with the 2TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, and you have lightning-fast storage for large projects, games, or heavy software, with the option to expand further if needed. Display support is equally impressive. With triple 8K simultaneous output via HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 2.1, and USB4, this mini PC can power multiple ultra-high-resolution displays at once, making it ideal for immersive gaming setups, professional editing stations, or multitasking work environments. Connectivity is another strong point. Dual Intel 2.5 gigabit LAN ports allow advanced networking setups such as firewall configurations, server hosting, or multi-channel aggregation. Meanwhile, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 provide fast, stable, and flexible wireless connections for gaming, streaming, and peripherals. On top of that, GMKtec paid attention to cooling and reliability. Their new Hyper Ice Chamber 2.0 cooling system uses dual fans with 360-degree airflow, copper heat conduction, and quieter operation at only 35 decibels in quiet mode. This ensures stable long-term performance, even under heavy loads. You can also choose between 3 performance modes: quiet at 35 watts, balanced at 54 watts, and performance at 65 watts, giving you flexibility depending on whether you want efficiency, balance, or maximum speed. For those who care about usability, GMKtec has included BIOS updates with extra customization options, such as VRAM allocation, auto power on, and wake on LAN. This is a big plus for power users who want more control over how their system runs. And despite packing all these powerful features, the EVO-X1 weighs under a pound, making it ultra-portable. Whether you're a gamer, a video editor, a software developer, or simply someone who wants a future-proof mini PC that can handle anything you throw at it, this machine delivers beyond expectations. The GMKtec EVO-X1 AI Mini PC is not just another compact computer, it's a true evolution of mini PCs, combining cutting-edge AI acceleration, high-speed performance, next-gen graphics, and excellent connectivity in one sleek package. Backed by a 1-year warranty and strong customer support, it's a reliable choice for anyone looking to upgrade their setup. If you want power, intelligence, and flexibility without sacrificing space, the EVO-X1 is one of the best mini PCs you can buy right now.